welcome back to the 981 PDK channel. Today I thought I would bring you an exciting upgrade that I've recently done to this Cayman 981 base model. Now I'm not sure if this applies also to the box range, but it very well may do. I'll put a link in the description about the upgrade I've made, which happens to be the front bumper and air intakes that lead you through to the through these ducts here. So it's actually an Aero Duct Upgrade with channels in it, and leads you through to the radiators either side. I'll get a close up with the camera very shortly, and I'll put a link in the description of the video that tells you where you can actually get the upgrade kit to do this yourself or installed, by a professional. I actually had a racing company install it for me because it involves taking off the whole front bumper bar section, and then they installed it all and it came up absolutely looking beautiful. I really like how it increases the frontal area of the spoiler from what it originally was on the original Cayman, and really gives it that lovely curved look through this section of the car where it directs the air in behind and down to the radiators. So you get a much larger frontal area here. Now Porsche says that this will actually give you some better performance in terms of bringing cooling to the radiator. This is, I suppose, critical if you're doing any sort of track work. Originally, I was going to do a third Center Upgrade radiator, but it was decided it was a bit expensive, and then you wouldn't have had the looks of this lovely curved piece with the grooves in it where it channels the air. So I really think it enhances the look of the Cayman, and the real frontal sort of curved nature of this car. It really does a nice job. So I'll bring the camera if I can so you can get a closer look inside the front bumper bar area. Give you a better look inside the bumper at the radiators, and the extreme channeling of the grooves and the curved sort of nature of it. It really does look stunning to the eye. I don't know whether the camera's actually picking this up, but yeah, you can see it's significantly larger frontal area now. So that would have to be aiding a little bit of downforce, I imagine, on the front of the car. I did notice at the track in high speed bends that possibly there was better turning. So there may be, unseen benefits of doing this upgrade, but it really modernises the frontal look of the car. And I think really, the 981 base Cayman is a beautiful looking car from every angle. And I really do think that this enhances it even further. I was actually looking at getting the GT4 bumper, but I decided in the end that was too much cost, and it also changes the look of the car. So you've got to then change, the side intakes and perhaps put rear spoilers and things like that. So didn't want to go down that path. I think this is just enough performance in terms of aero, downforce, and without changing the rear spoiler, and also adding that cooling benefit if you're running some sort of tune, like I do with the FPD. So I really think from the looks of it, it really adds to the look of the car. It gives it that nice curved shape that the car actually naturally has. So yeah, I'm super happy with the look of it. It also enhances the sort of frontal part that's already there, the black plastic part. Gives it that sort of nice curved shape, which seems to match match the look of the base Cayman as well. It is very, very pleasing to the eye. You can enhance the look of the plastic as well by applying a little bit of detailing creams. So yeah, this is, I think, a very nice, genuine Porsche Parts upgrade, and brings with a lot of benefits, aesthetics, and also performance. So I think it's well worth. The cost of the kit was quite a reasonable $575. I think that's US. And the kit came with everything that allowed the installers to install it at the racing company. So I think it's fairly straightforward. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed the video, and great upgrade for the Porsche Cayman 981 models. It's very reasonably priced, and installation shouldn't be too expensive, though you do have to take off the front bumper bar. I really think it benefits the looks of this car and is a very worthwhile upgrade. So I actually got it from Porsche Suncoast.